This is a time of war. Demons walk the earth in the shape of men.
Iago! Back from Tewkesbury. Are the wars over then?
Over for me.
Where is my husband?
And you tried to fight. They killed him.
My son is not coming back. All that matters is that we survive. We can't afford such beautiful gifts. Who else knows you've returned?
You are but the first.
Where have you been? You know I'd die without you. You must be very cautious not to give in to sin.
I want you. Leave her. Our lives are ours to live.
Lights of hell will come for you. Hell is real.
She's trying to scare you.
They will pull you down to hell.